Hello friends, so now we are going to start exploring ourselves with a new understanding towards our experiment, the algebraic identity. Okay, this is your activity 2 and we are going to verify it experimentally in the virtual platform. So the identity we have taken is a plus b the whole cube, which is given by the formula a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay, so we are going to verify this particular formula in the virtual platform. Okay, so the virtual platform link will be given in the web URL as how it is shared earlier. So now we will be exploring ourselves with the understanding of this platform. Okay, so this platform is Mechabricks. So this Mechabricks is having a sign in and a sign up and login option. So if you need to sign in, you can sign in and you can save the file. It is not however compulsory, you can do it without the signing option also. So I have created an empty template called algebraic identity to explore you. Okay, so now let me explain you how we have to work on this platform. Okay, so for that, first I have to construct the a cube and the b cube. So here I have taken the brick 1 cross 3, which is used to express the a cube and the b cube. Okay, so if you click this once, you will get this thing here. Okay, so if you can rotate this. So all you need to first do is you have to drag this. Okay, so drag this and position it first. The positioning is the first and foremost thing. So I have taken this quadrant. So if you place this thing as a graph sheet, this is a Lego board, we will call that as a Lego board. So these are the quadrants which we have in the Lego board, and I'm use this arrow mark to drag it across the axis. Okay, so you can drag that and you can position yourself in a proper way. Okay, so that we can have the classification accordingly. So after this, you have to make it a duplicate. Okay, so you need not to select each and every time this, rather than you can click this particular option which we call it as clone D. So just click one time and press this left mouse button and drag it. You will get the cube again clone it, you will get another. Okay, so again click this bottom one and again clone it and drag it. Okay, so again clone it, use this up arrow, you will get it dragged. Again click this up arrow. So every time you have to press the clone button and you have to click the appropriate checkbox. Okay, just clone to form a cubical structure for a plus b the whole cube. Okay, so this one I have made it a little bit lower, so just equalizing the part. Okay, so if you see, I have made a cubical structure. Okay, so on contrast color, choose a different color for contrast. So just differentiate, just place the 1 cross 1 cube. Okay, so as say for example, let it be in the dark chocolate brown. Okay, so again you have to drag this and drag. Okay, this one I have made it in a different way. So just click once again and you can drag this. You can drag this particular thing. If you see this, you can see the differentiation. Okay, so you have to place it. If you make it front, drag front. If you want to make it back, just make it back. Okay, So I'm making it in a cross way, okay, in a diagonal way. So chocolate brown is not appropriate color. We'll choose, say for example, light colors you prefer. We'll have some, yeah, this color will choose. Yes, now it is made in this way. Okay, so just make it a closer by, so that it perfectly in the diagonal position. Okay, so after you made this into the diagonal position, change the platform like this and you can clone it. So as usual, cloning, again clone, if you look at this you can see like this. Okay, so this is a cube and this is b cube. Okay, so now we will frame 3a square b. Okay, 3a square b. First we have to make the a square b. Okay, so first I am making a square. So for making a square I am using 1 cross 2 brick. Okay, 1 cross 2 brick. So you will be getting up here in the central axis the 1 cross 2 brick. So you can see this here. So you can drag this. So this you can make it a different color to identify the format. Okay, so I am picking the pink color. Okay, so just drag it. Okay, so to use this you can use the up arrow, down arrow, the cross arrow, etc. Okay, so you can just click on this and you can drag it. You will be able to see this particular thing. Okay, so this is the a square. Okay, so you can just clone it again. So this is a square, you can see. So you have to move this a bit closer. Okay, so that we will do it in the last. Okay, so make it in this way, just clone it. So if you see this, you can see you can clone it this again clone it. Okay, so I have completed a square. So now b, a 3a square b. So 3 times a square b. So I have made it first time a square and second time a square and third time a square. Now I have to make it b, and b has to be made 3 times. Okay, so now click on again 1 cross 1 brick and make it a different color. Say let it be blue, or since it is a pink you can go with this light color, or you can have it something gray, so that it will be looks fair enough to visible. So now again you can position it by dragging it. Just drag it, position it. Okay, so if you see, it will be positioned correctly. Still there is some gap, so just drag it here. Okay, it will be paka. After you fix the location, just clone it, that's it, and drag this particular, again clone it, again drag it. Okay, so now I have completed 3a square b. Okay, so now coming to this part, we will make the 3ab square. Okay, 3 times a and b square. Okay, so you can just drag it and fix it in a correct location. You can check whether it is correctly located or not. This b cube is slightly moved, so I am just dragging it in front. Okay, this needs a virtual perception. Okay, so that is the thing that has to be drawn there. So this part I am doing now. So here, as I said you earlier, we have to make 3ab square. Okay, so 3 times ab square. So first we will make b square. Okay, so choose again a different color. You will get this brick here in the coordinate. Choose the color. I'm choosing the light pink. So I'm just dragging it to locate it. Just locate the position. So use the arrow to locate it. Okay, yes, now I think it is perfectly located. Yes, okay, so it is perfectly located. You can see that there is a gap in between, so I'll try to make it a gap, okay, so that you can identify it in a proper way. This one also you will get a gap. Let's see. Unless or until you are practicing well, you can't understand this. Okay, so I have now made this exactly located. So here I think I need to make it a gap further. I'm just making it a cubical platform. Okay, so now this is b square, so now I have to make a. So you can choose any alternative color. Okay, so or here you can use it the gray color for a better understanding. So since we have used the gray color as the option, you can use the gray color. Okay, so here you can again clone it and you can construct this. Okay, again clone it. This is what you will have it as B. Okay, so after this, now you have to make the 3 times of A. Okay, so A, what color I have chosen? I have chosen pink. Am I right? So just make a 1 cross 1 brick and make it as a pink. Okay, so you have to locate it, drag this particular thing, and make the position appropriate. I hope now the position of mine is appropriate. I have chosen dark pink, it seems, so let it be dark pink. Okay, so after this again clone it. So I think first we need to locate it. If you see the dimension, you can see it that it is located in a correct form. Okay, you can drag it. Yes, you can check whether you have placed it in an appropriate position. Again, clone this. Yes, you can see now. The second cube, for a better understanding, I have placed it separately. Okay, so if you form all this together, you will get the A plus B cube. Okay, so just you can take a screenshot of this particular thing, or you can just make sure that you are taking a screenshot in an appropriate dimension to represent this, or you can make it in this way also. Any format, just take a screenshot of it and attach it to the part. Okay, so I repeat, so we are doing it for A plus B the whole cube formula. So assume that this particular thing as the A cube and this particular thing as the B cube. Okay, so A cube plus B cube plus 3 times A square B. So A I have used pink color and B I have used gray color. So A square 2 bricks, so A square B 1 brick. So 3 times A square B, A square B, A square B. So 3 times A square B. Again this side, if you see, B square A. Okay, so which is A B square. So A B square, A B square, A B square, 3 times A B square. So 3 AB squared this side. So okay, next here 3 AB square, this is A cube and this is B cube. Okay, so all this together form the experimental verification of a plus b the whole cube. Okay, so if you look at this, you can see it in any dimension you want. Okay, you can make it in a very closer form itself also, so that it is explained much better. Okay, so in this platform you have to do it, and you have to take a screenshot and stick on to your work. Okay, I hope I am clear. Thank you children, thank you all.